Hello there. Welcome back to our channel. If you are a content creator on YouTube, you probably know how important is it to reach that magical milestone, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. Well, today we're here to help you achieve just that. In this video, we'll be sharing some valuable tips and strategy to grow your YouTube channel in 2023. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Tip number 1. The key to attracting and retaining subscribers is by constantly creating high-quality content. Make sure your videos are well-planned, well-executed, and provide value to your viewers. Whether it's tutorials, vlogs, or entertaining skits, find your niche and deliver content that resonate with your target audience. Tip number 2. One of the most crucial aspects of growing your YouTube channel is optimizing your titles, tags, description. Use relevant keywords that accurately describe your video content. This will help your videos rank higher in search results and attract more organic traffic. Remember, search engine is a game changer when it comes to discoverability. Engage with your audience. Building a loyal community is vital for the growth of your YouTube channel. Take the time to engage with your audience by replying to comments, asking for feedback, and even featuring viewer-submitted content. By showing genuine interest in your viewers, you'll not only strengthen your bond with them, but also encourage them to become active and supportive subscribers. Tip number 3. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaboration is a powerful tool in the YouTube world. Find other creators within your niche or related niches and reach out to them for potential collaboration opportunities. This can expose your channel to a new audience, help you gain new subscribers, and build valuable relationships in the community. Remember, collaboration is a win-win situation for both parties involved. Tip number 5. Leverage social media. To maximize the reach of your YouTube channel, don't limit yourself to YouTube alone. Promote your videos on social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Share snippets, behind-the-scenes content, and teasers to pique the interest of your followers. By leveraging social media effectively, you can drive more traffic to your channel and increase your chances of reaching that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time milestone. Tip number 6. Last but not least, make use of the valuable insights provided by YouTube Analytics. Dive deep into your data to understand which videos are performing well, where your viewers are coming from, and what keeps them engaged. This information will help you tailor your content strategy, identify areas for improvement, and ultimately grow your channel more effectively. And that wraps up our tips for growing your YouTube channel in 2023. Remember, building a successful channel takes time and effort, but with dedication